Guys, welcome back to the another video. So in this video, we will be learning about the how to create a 2D chart in R. For that, we will use the same package ggplot and dplyr and using the same basically our data sets, and we will use our same data set empty cars for this as well. So we will create a 2D chart. For that, we will call ggplot. Then we will use the data equal to empty cars. Anyways, I'll not use data this time. If you rightly call the data set, it will be work. Empty cars and my axis will be x-axis will be my weight and y will be miles per gallon. Okay. So now I'll use the stat underscore density underscore 2D. I'll use this here. Here I'll use axis to fill equal to I'll use label and then I'll use geom equal to polygon and then my color will be white and then I'll use plus sign and I'll use scale to scale my basically chart here to scale fill and I'll use the verdict C. For these 2D graphs, we will discuss in the deep videos. I'll create another video for this. Right now, I'm just creating to just showcase simply so that you can use in your daily uses. And I'll use plus sign here. Then I'll use my labs. Labs, you are aware, like it is used for the giving title and x-axis and y-axis rename. So I'll use title equal to creating 2D chart and my x will be weight जो मेरा W2 है, this is weight and then comma I'll use y for my mpg miles per gallon and my fill is density. Okay, so now I'll close this here and I'll use the basically theme here, theme underscore minimal. So now my code is ready. If I run this code, my 2D chart will be ready. It's giving error scale fill verdicts D. Okay, so we have to use the scale verdicts C here. Now, see, if you can see, my chart is ready. So this looks so amazing. You can see this, use this chart in your daily work. So this is it for this video. For more videos, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.